In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscription membership community in under 3 minutes with Slack. If you want to monetize your expertise through premium alerts, coaching, exclusive discussions, or members only training, this is one of the fastest no code ways to do it. Instead of building a complicated system from scratch, you can combine Slack with a subscription platform that handles payments and access automatically. First, open Slack on your desktop or go to Slack's official workspace creation page in your browser and create a fresh workspace. As you go through setup, verify your email and enter the name of your group or community. Once your workspace is ready, head to the left sidebar and click the plus icon next to channels, then choose to create a new channel. This part matters. For any premium content area, make sure the channel is set to private. That keeps your paid content hidden from anyone who hasn't subscribed. You can create private spaces for things like premium alerts, VIP chat, private coaching, or any exclusive content you want members to access. Next, open a new browser tab and go to a no-code membership platform such as Memberful or LaunchPass. Create a free account, then connect your payment processor, usually Stripe. This is what will handle recurring billing for weekly, monthly, or yearly subscriptions. After that, go into the dashboard and look for the section labeled Integrations or Apps, then select Slack. Click the option to connect or authorize Slack. You'll be redirected to a secure permissions screen. Approve the connection so the platform can manage access to your Slack workspace automatically. This is the step that turns the whole setup into an automated membership engine. Once that's connected, create your subscription plan. Choose a clear plan name, select your billing frequency, and enter your price, and then scroll down until you find the Slack-related settings, sometimes called Slack options or plan actions. Here, assign the plan to the private channels you created earlier. Save your settings once everything looks correct. After that, your billing platform will generate a secure checkout link for that plan. Copy that link and place it anywhere you promote your offer, like your website, video description, or social media profile. This becomes the entry point for new paying members. Now here's how the automation works. When someone clicks your checkout link, they land on a payment page and complete their purchase securely. Once the payment is approved, the system automatically sends them an invitation to join your Slack workspace. As soon as they enter, the private paid channels are already unlocked for them. And just as importantly, if someone cancels or a renewal payment fails, the system automatically removes their access from those private channels. That means your premium content stays protected without you needing to manage members manually. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the